LG's InstaView door and door refrigerators bring style and innovation to your kitchen with a tinted glass panel that allows you to see what's inside just by simply knocking. You may be wondering about the durability of the InstaView glass door, but rest assured the door is resilient against most impact forces that could possibly occur in the kitchen. For example, the LG signature refrigerator is resilient to scenarios such as slamming the door too hard, excessive banging, or running into the door with a pan. And even when tested against stronger forces, the door still remains intact. In addition, LG's French 3-door and 4-door refrigerators are just as durable when put to the same tests. We hope these scenarios don't happen too often, but if they do, have confidence and security knowing that the InstaView door and door is built tough against many situations.